Hello everyone, welcome to Tai'an Dongtai. Today we'll introduce you number 10712 Caterpillar 220D Injector Valve Balance Tools. This tool is to test the armature plate balance. Next, our engineer will show you how to use this tool. First, put the injector on the support. Next, lose the solenoid valve cap. Remove the solenoid valve. Remove the spring. Remove the adjustment shims. Put the injector on our special tool. Put the dial indicator. Put the dial indicator needle on the armature plate. Make the dial indicator to 0. Turn the armature plate. The extent of the needle is smaller, means the armature plate balance is good.